Jai Gurudev. Shri Shri College of Ayurvedic Science and Research, an Ayurvedic college which was established in the year 2004 by the divine blessings of Pujya Gurudev. This college is attached with the teaching hospital, which has the capacity of 268 IPD beddings. Here in this hospital, we get the OPD patients along with the other services are also provided. The admissions are done, OPD level free consultations are carried out, the diagnostic units are there, the major OT, minor OTs are there, and also deliveries are carried out. The specific treatments for the Shalaka department, that is eye ENT treatments, are also carried out. One of the major treatment part in Ayurveda is Panchakarma. See, Panchakarma, it is a fascinating word. So everyone is attracted for this word, and all over the world, the people are mesmerized by this Panchakarma word and the treatments. Panchakarma is the age-old treatment which is there in India from thousands of years. Panchakarma, it is majorly the 5 treatment procedures, the aim of which is to detoxify the body. Ayurveda, it tells that it should treat the healthy people and also the patients who are suffering from different diseases. When the toxins, when it is in huge quantity, it should be eliminated through Panchakarma procedures only. And when these doshas or the toxins, when they are removed out of the body through Panchakarma procedures, the relapse of the disease is very minimal. Now the main question arises, who are all fit for the Panchakarma procedures? In the society, we can see 2 sets of people. One is the healthy individuals or the swastha people. The other one, the people who are suffering from different diseases. Panchakarma can be carried out for the healthy individuals and also for the sick people or the patients. The person may have an excellent lifestyle and good diet. Still, in his body on day-to-day basis, the accumulation of the toxins will happen in minimum quantity. And depending upon the seasons, the Panchakarma procedures can be selected and healthy person can detoxify himself. So in these Panchakarma procedures, the Vamana, Virechana, Basti, couple of Bastis are there, 2 varieties, and the Nasya, these things should be taken by healthy individual on yearly basis to detoxify and to maintain the health in a better way. So the healthy people, when they have time and who want to protect their health, they can come to our hospital and they can have different Panchakarma procedures and which are done in a classical way. The other one is for the ill or the sick patients. Like the patients, they suffer from the chronic diseases or the acute conditions. The Panchakarma procedures, it will help in different conditions, disease conditions like the skin diseases, especially the psoriasis, eczema, etc. Joint disorders like spine problems, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and other joint related diseases which can be very well handled by the Panchakarma procedures. And also the disease of the gastrointestinal tract, like it can be the Amla Pitta or the acidity condition, irritable bowel syndromes, etc., which can also be very well managed by the Panchakarma treatment procedures. And the effective treatments are seen, for example, obesity, which we call as Taulya. When they undergo this Vamana, Virechana or the Basti treatments, the patients will lose weight like anything. And it is done in a proper way, and where the patient will not have the fatigue or the tiredness or side effects are not seen. And also the Panchakarma treatments are very effective, like the insomnia and the patients who are having stress and the conditions like the hormonal conditions and in infertility and gynec complaints, the Panchakarma treatments are very, very effective. And also the Panchakarma treatments which can be carried out in the paralysis condition, facial palsy and different conditions which are related with the nervous system, the patients can undergo the Panchakarma treatment procedures. And now the one more question or the doubt will arise in the general public, for how many days they have to come for the treatment. See, it depends upon the individual, it depends upon the disease from which he is suffering, which can vary from 7 days and it can be up to for 1 month or 2 months. Depending upon the necessity, during the consultation, the best Panchakarma treatment procedure will be selected if a person is healthy or if a person is sick or if he is suffering from any diseases. So at the end, I would like to highlight that even a patient is healthy, to protect his health in a better way, not to fall sick easily, it is always advised to undergo Panchakarma procedures on yearly basis, and also the patients who are ill or sick to get rid of the disease from the root level, and also to see that the relapse of the disease is very minimum. The patients, they should come and to stay in our hospital and to undergo the Panchakarma procedures.